Get ready to rethink taco night. Cheesy Chorizo Smash Tacos are here to shake things up. If you've been looking for a way to spice up your Taco Tuesdays, look no further. These Cheesy Chorizo Smash Tacos are about to become your new obsession. Picture this, a crispy tortilla filled with sizzling chorizo, blanketed in a layer of melty cheese, and topped with your favorite Tex-Mex fixings. Sound too good to be true? Let's dive in. Yields, 4 to 6 servings. Prep time, 40 minutes. Total time, 40 minutes. The smash taco trend is taking the culinary world by storm, and it's time to jump on board. Unlike traditional tacos, where the filling is added to a folded tortilla, smash tacos take things to the next level. The raw chorizo mixture is pressed directly onto the tortilla and seared on a flat-top griddle. The result? A taco that's part taco, part smash burger, all deliciousness. But here's where it gets controversial. Some purists argue that this method isn't authentic Mexican cuisine. We say, who cares? As long as it tastes amazing, we're all in. And trust us, these cheesy chorizo smash tacos do not disappoint. What sets these tacos apart is the use of fresh chorizo. This spicy pork sausage, seasoned with chili peppers, garlic, vinegar, and warm spices, adds a depth of flavor that will leave your taste buds dancing. And did we mention the gooey cheese that perfectly balances the heat? Now, let's talk toppings. We're talking shredded lettuce, pico de gallo, sour cream, and slices of fresh avocado. But don't stop there. Get creative and pile on your favorite fixings. The key is to create a contrast between the crispy, cheesy meat and the bright, fresh toppings. It's a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Ready to get cooking? Here's how to make these mouth-watering cheesy chorizo smash tacos. Ingredients: fresh chorizo. Choose the raw variety. Flour tortillas. They're more pliable and easier to work with. Pepper jack cheese for that extra kick. Chili lime seasoning for the corn. Lime for a burst of freshness. Instructions: begin by mixing the chorizo with fresh cilantro and finely chopped white onion until well combined. Avoid overmixing, as this can lead to tough meat. 2. Divide the mixture into 12 portions and place one portion in the center of each tortilla. Spread the meat evenly, leaving a border of tortilla around the edges. 3. Heat a griddle or skillet over medium heat and press the tortillas, meat side down, onto the hot surface. Cook for about 2 minutes, then flip and sprinkle with pepper jack cheese. Continue cooking until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is crispy. 4. Meanwhile, cook the corn in boiling salted water until tender but still crunchy. Toss with butter, chili lime seasoning, and lime juice. 5. Assemble your tacos by adding the toppings of your choice and serve alongside the buttery corn. And this is the part most people miss. Don't forget to add a side of buttery corn on the cob, seasoned with a little lime and chili seasoning. Trust us, it takes this meal to the next level. So, what do you think? Are you ready to shake up Taco Tuesday with these cheesy chorizo smash tacos? Let us know in the comments below if you're a fan of this controversial twist on a classic, or if you prefer sticking to tradition. Either way, we're confident that once you try these tacos, you'll be hooked.